Hey, I'm glad you liked the report on Waukesha with the snow update. As you can see all around me, the snow is falling. I was going to get in my car and try to go get some food, but I decided not to because it's really coming down rather rapidly. And, I think the roads are supposed to be kind of slick. So I'm just going to kind of hang out inside with Waukesha. And I'm glad you liked that little report. I think the audio should have been a little bit louder, but anyway, I'm getting a little bit of wind here, which is kind of driving the snow a little bit sideways. It's pretty wintry looking and it's bitter cold. I said when I posted Waukesha's video that it was 17 degrees out, but now it's 15 and it says that it feels like 3 degrees, and I'm here to tell you that it feels like 3 degrees. But God is really answering our prayers about putting the wildfires out. The East Troublesome Fire was only half a mile in one place from reaching Estes Park last night, and it seemed to have stalled. That's what the fire report update said this morning. And then all of a sudden, overnight, we got this winter storm warning. And that's what we're in right now, is a winter storm warning. And it's supposed to dip down below zero. I don't have any of my gloves. They're all in the storage unit somewhere. I am troubled about my musical instruments. I don't think it's ever gone below zero in October. Not ever in the history of what I can remember. You can really see the snow is coming down, and it's kind of low visibility with the cars coming up the road. This will definitely, between the humidity and the moisture, put a damper on these wildfires. I wanted to tell you that I got this little hat for my mother, and she never got to wear it. So I put it on because I don't have any hats or gloves. They're all in the storage unit somewhere. So anyway, it's really coming down. It's really getting bitter, and it says it feels like 3 degrees, but boy, it's going to be below zero tonight by the time, the temperatures just keep dropping. And I can't believe, the firefighters are going to just have to stop what they're doing because it's too cold to be out. And I'm going to have to turn this off because my hands are freezing, and I'm going to go back inside. So anyway, at least they had a little fire burning in the lobby. So maybe I'll go up there and maybe make myself some soup or something to eat. Well, I'll talk to you later and give you another report. Have a blessed day. Talk to you soon.